Good morning students. Today we are going to prepare a qualitative analysis practical to determine the molarity of unknown solution of KMnO₄ solution by titrating it against the standard solution 0.1 molar. It means M by 10 Mohr salt. It is called ferrous ammonium sulfate solution, right? So to preparation of the standard solution, right, whatever the requirements are be there in that, first of all we want a sulfuric acid, Mohr salt and water. So we are going to prepare the standard solution first. First of all, you have to take the weighing machine. In that we will keep the watch glass. The weight of the watch glass we will tear it and make it 0, right? So for the preparation of the M by 10, the calculation is as per 0.1 into X, the calculation. So after the calculation we will get the mass of ferrous ammonium sulfate required is 9.8 gram. So let's we weigh it. You can see the student, the mass of the ferrous ammonium sulfate is 392 gram per mole. First of all, take the watch glass, keep it on the weighing machine, tear it, it becomes 0. Now weigh it out. It's exact 9.81. So now let it transfer into the volumetric flask. We are going to prepare the 250 ml standard solution of ferrous ammonium sulfate. Take the funnel, transfer the salt slowly. Add the water. Again make sure, so whatever the amount of the salt is in the watch glass, transfer it into the volumetric flask. Now add some water, then dissolve it. Now, in that you can see this is a latest brownish color solution to reduce the association of this salt. So we are going to add 20 ml dilute sulfuric acid. 20 ml dilute sulfuric acid. Now students, you can see the mark here. So you have to fill the water up to the mark. Check it. If the solution is not converted into transparent, then again little amount of the dilute sulfuric acid we will going to add. So little more amount of the dilute sulfuric acid we are going to add. Now see the exact measurement and then dissolve it properly. Now this solution is we are going to use as a standard solution. Now this is a KMnO₄ solution. I already filled it into the burette. This is a burette. This is a conical flask. This is a 10 ml measuring cylinder. Okay, and we are having a standard solution of ferrous ammonium sulfate. So first of all, we will take the 10 ml solution of ferrous ammonium sulfate into the conical flask. Make sure it's the 10 ml. So it's the 10 ml. Transfer it into the conical flask and approx 10 ml add dilute sulfuric acid. Approx 10 ml dilute sulfuric acid. Now there is no need to add any indicator because so this is a transparent, right? So KMnO₄ is a self indicator, so there is no need to add any indicator. So let me start the titration. Slowly pour the KMnO₄ solution and the color change should be transparent to light pink color. Make sure the solution is properly shaken into the conical flask. See, so it's a turns to light pink color. Okay, so whatever the amount of the KMnO₄ is consumed, that is our first reading. Okay, so you can see the reading is 13.3. So 13.3. So we will note down 13.3. This is our reading. This is the first reading, 13.3. So as like that, we have to repeat the 3 readings, and whatever the readings will be there in repeat, whatever the repeated results are be there, that is our concurrent reading. That become our concurrent reading. So let me do the calculation then. Suppose we will take 13.3 is the concurrent reading. So then we have to do the calculation M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. So M2 already we have because 0.1 into V2, whatever the amount of the KMnO₄ is consumed, 13.3, and we are taken 10 ml ferrous ammonium sulfate. So let me do the calculation. I'll show into the mobile. See, 0.1 into 13.3 divided by 10. So it becomes a 0.133 approx molarity of KMnO₄. So the molarity of the capital M is become 0.13. Okay, and we have to take the strength. The strength is equal to molarity into molecular mass. So 0.13 into 158. This is a molecular mass of KMnO₄. KMnO₄. So let me do the calculation. 0.13 into 158. So the strength is become a 20.54. Right? So in the result, what we have to write? So given unknown solution, the molarity of the solution is 0.13 and the strength is molarity into molecular mass is become a 20.54. Right? So this is your complete practical of the titration. These practical carry the 8 marks in CBSE practical examination. Thank you, students.